Okay, hi everyone. This is a short video on how to use PLICKERS. It's an amazing online tool for formative assessment, basically quick quizzing of multiple choice questions using cards. So these are essentially cards that your phone scans with its QR scanner through an app you get on your phone, and it gives you live results and data directly through the app. Okay, so here we go. I've just logged in. I've created a free account. I have a few different things here. Discover, you can actually search for different categories and pre-made questions that people have already done. My library, I've already started a couple of little demo ones here. I'm going to go into this first one I've made just to show you how I've done it. I'm going to go edit. This is a quick Year 11 music quiz on key signatures. It should be opening up. Okay, here it is here. I've created 4 questions. It's very easy to create them. I'm going to create an extra one just to show you how cool this little feature is. So I'm going to say, what is this key signature? And I want students to be able to identify a given key signature, which is a musical symbol. Okay, so I'm going to just search one up here. I'm going to call it A major key signature. And just searches the web for an actual image of what I would like students to recognize. And this is the one. Okay, so I'm going to click it. It puts it in there already. And I simply have to create the choices. So I'm going to make some fake answers: D major, G major, the correct answer A major, and another fake answer E major. Then I just simply click the one that is correct, and this is good to go. Okay, so once I've done that, I can now simply jump back across to my library, where I'm now able to play this. If I click it, I'm going to go play now. Just before I do that, I'm going to show you classes. So I use Google Classroom. I've actually already imported a class into Google Classroom. I'm going to do another one just to show you. I can click import from Google Classroom. This is very cool if you use Google Classroom. I'm already logged in here with my MFG SC account. I'm just going to click allow. You don't have to do it this way, by the way. You can just do it manually, but it is very easy to do. I just would like to import this Year 10 music class into here. I'm going to go ahead, select it, and click enter. And it just takes a couple of seconds, and then boom, it is now imported into here. All the students that I have in my Year 11 Google class, Year 10 rather, are already in there, which is amazing. It just makes it a lot easier later. But for the sake of this, I'm just going to go back to, okay, I'm going to go back to here. We are going to go play now. I'll just point out one or two things before we play the game. If I click my classroom on the left here, Years 10 music, for example, I can see all the 16 students. This is through Google Classroom, it's imported. I can print this roster where every student is allocated a number. So I know when it's 16, that's Jessica who's answered the questions. I can go ahead and print that if I like as well. I'll also show you that I actually downloaded the cards from the website. You can just print them and download them physically to get the actual cards that I have here that are ready to print out. And then you just cut them and you are ready to go. All right, another exciting little thing to mention. The cards are multiple choice. Every side is A, B, C, or D. And you can see the one at the top is A, B, C, or D. And the direction you scan it tells you what answer A, B, C, or D the student has picked. Okay, here we go. We're clicking play now. We're just gonna go demo class for this. I have the cards ready. I'm gonna try and give you a demonstration here. So, a stack of different cards, you can see these. Okay, with the phone, I have the phone ready with the PLICKERS app open. So, I'm simply gonna click on the phone. My view comes up something like this. You can see the multiple choice answers. It'll show you the correct one as well. You click the little circle button and it's gonna come up with a little QR coding screen. All you have to do is at a distance, at a distance, hold up, I'm just gonna scan a bunch of them. From a distance, hold up all the different cards. All right, I've just done a couple there. All I was doing was holding up the different cards, scanning it with my phone, boom, 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 and it will actually then generate the answers. So when I go show graph, these are the answers that students selected. Very neat, right? I can also click reveal answer. Correct answer was B, E flat major in this case, and only one student got it right. Okay, card 1378 would correspond to the students that held up that card. And once that's complete, I can now just go back to my main screen, go to reports. I can open up this, and it actually shows a full breakdown report of how the students went. We just did one question, and there you go. One person got it right with E flat from the random scanning that I just demonstrated. With a free trial, I think you can only get 5 questions, but that's okay. It's enough because you can make multiple ones, and it's a good little hinge question, I guess. Check and move on, formative assessment. All right, hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.